สวัสดีครับ What's up, guys? Welcome back to another movie memorable stuff. This is Minion Club Illuminations. This Despicable Me 4 movie going mega, and there is a superhero minion kind of thing going on. And press the button here. Boom! He is there. One of the soup of the minion. Right there you go. Put some light on and you can see him. So he is a separate piece, and boom, there you go. Camera doesn't focus. I'm gonna change my camera soon, sorry. So the legs, the hands, and his mask. His mask is slightly strong color than his own actual skin. For the soup minion, the one that fly, this guy, the one who fly. This is like thing, Marvel thing in Marvel comic. This one is like Mr. Fantastic Four. He can stretch his legs and his arm. This one is like Incredible Hulk from Marvel. This one is like Cyclops with the laser eyes, laser beam from the eyes. Unstoppable. Something UNBA here. Unbreakable. Yeah. The minion suit. And the bottom, what do we have here? Thai language on the bottom, right there. It's not easy to read, but you get the idea. It's like warning, legally stuff, something. And here's the minion. This is like superhero power building port. So the minion gets in there, and then he gained the power from the machine, from this machine, and then he, boom, going mega. He fly, and this is like a gimmick of the cup, and this is some kind of a target at the back, and I know, not believe, this one has the magnet inside, so we kind of push to spring him up, and then he fly to reach the magnet on there, going mega. And at the side. So this is actually cup. You can, you can drink some water, some soda on there. No problem at all. You can open the cup and see inside. There's nothing in the side that much. Yeah, you get the idea of going mega minion, major cineplex movie cup. There you go. Really, really awesome pieces, artwork pieces. All right. Let's see you guys in the next episode real soon. Despicable Me, 360 rotation. Bye.